Hi, so review of the XN8 5 kg weighted vest. Came the other day, does what it says really. It's kind of a good size for shadow boxing and maybe running. Not too heavy, not too light. Whip the bad boy on. It's just got one strap for the old chest. It's quite tight for shadow boxing. You see, it moves around a little bit. Hardly anything though. Yeah, and it's just a nice weight for shadow boxing. So yeah, that's about it really. It's pretty good. Gonna use it with do some chin-ups as well in a minute. But yeah, so far so good. Doesn't move around much. Nice weight. Not too heavy, not too light.